Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Chief Minister meets cabinet ministers and MLAs for reshuffling of portfolios, decides to keep major portfolios with himself. Some ministers may lose powerful departments for inefficiency. Government to scrutinize condonation of delay cases. One mining firm asked to pay fine of 180 crore rupees. Government scrutinizing remaining 42 cases. GCA Vice President Shekhar Salkar writes of Vijay Sardesai GCA derecognition threat, says Francis D'Souza cannot become senior VC of GCA. If Srini goes, Balu will also have to step down. MGP meets over Marathi Rajya Sabha issue, resolves to continue the pro-Marathi agitation. And Goa Basketball Association President Ralin D'Souza says he is open for discussion as state basketball struggles to come out of factionalism. And now the news in detail. Inefficient ministers may lose their important portfolios during the upcoming reshuffling of portfolios. CM has decided to allot additional portfolios to one but has indicated that important portfolios will remain with him. He held a meeting with cabinet ministers and MLAs to discuss the reshuffling.
General Administration, Personnel, Home, Mines, Rural Development, Agriculture, Education and Finance departments. All these important portfolios will remain with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Small portfolios like food and drugs, IT, weights and measures will be given to other ministers as additional portfolios. All these portfolios will be allotted on Monday. Chief Minister has confirmed.
काही जणांबरोबर म्हणजे ऑर्टून झाले काही जणांबरोबर जातले 2 दिसा आनी अजूनही आयज पासून सोमार सांजपर्यंत इट इज अ डिसिजन नाही इट इज नॉट डिस्कस्ड इन दिस काइंड ऑफ मिटिंग्स असल्या मिटिंगेनी तो चर्चाच जावंक शकना तर त्यामुळे त्या खात्याचो प्रश्न ना मायनिंगाची सध्या इज अ प्रॉब्लेम इश्यू प्रॉब्लेम टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचे तोच प्रॉब्लेम आहा एग्रीकल्चर वी आर डिटरमाइंड टू पुश एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस त्यामुळे ताजेर फायनान्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून जर तो पयशे सारके दिवंक शकलो जाल्यार ते सारके जातले नाल्यार ते डबल हातून खेस्ताण जावन जाय तशें स्मूथली जावचें ना एकदां स्मूथली जालें की मागीर ताका कोण कन्सिडर करपाक येता त्यामुळे तशी व्हडलोसो चॉयस आसा असो न्हय तो बारीक बारीक वतली मरे सगळ्याक पयली गजाल जे कितें भितर मॉडिफिकेशन आसतलें पळय तें त्या मंत्र्या कडेन उलोवनूच जातलें म्हणजे त्या मंत्र्याक अंधारान दवरून हें जातलें अशें ना रिशफल जातलें अशें न्हय एडिशन किंवा मायनर बदल जावंक शकता हाजो अर्थ कितें हाजो अर्थ कोण XYZ आसा तातल्या कडेन Z वतलो आनी ABCक लागतलो आनी C येवन ताका लागतलो अशें जावंक शकता पण बदल हांवें सांगूच ना न्हय म्हणजे मंत्री तेच उरतले.
Most importantly, the ministers who have performed below par in the last 1.5 years will lose their important portfolios. CM is contemplating allotting underperforming ministers' portfolio to other ministers. But CM sensed resentment feeling on Saturday when he started meeting all his ministers one by one. CM has postponed the Saturday decision to next 2 days. Reshuffling decision will be tough for CM. He is planning to meet and consult the top-notch from state BJP before arriving to any conclusion. He has already heard MLAs on Saturday. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gaus.
The rift and battle within the BJP is now wide open. First, Vijay Sardesai alleged that a BJP MLA wants to establish hold over the association. Now, Vice President of the GCA and close associate of Manohar Parrikar, Dr. Shekhar Salkar, has written off Vijay's threat. He has also taken a dig at Francis D'Souza and called his appointment as Senior Vice President of the GCA as illegal. He says if Srini goes after the SC verdict, Balu Phadke will also have to step down.
The political battle within the BJP and the GCA is now wide open. Vijay Sardesai has already alleged a MLA of taking off GCA. whereas the BJP camp has called derecognition threat as based on half-baked knowledge of MLA Vijay Sardesai.
I cannot comment on Vijay's comment because he is a MLA. I think tazo comment to dusra MLA cher, so let that MLA answer. कशें जातलें डिसरिकॉग्नायज? सपोज आमी आतां 15 जाण निवडून आयले, 15 जाणांतले आतां 7 जाण आहा जे पावरीचेर आसा, 8 जाण भायर आसा. फाल्यां 8 जाण जर पावरीचेर आयल्यार डिसरिकॉग्नायज? वॉट इज दिस? हे खंयचें सिस्टम आतां भायलो कोण आयलो आनी टेकिंग ओवर करता जाल्यार वेगळी गोष्ट.
Dr. Shekhar Salkar feels if SC rules against tainted people holding powerful positions in sports bodies, then Balu will also have to step down.
आनी आमचो हांगा GCAचे आमचे तेच प्रॉब्लेम चल्ला. आमचो प्रेसिडेंट आहा, ही चार्जशीटेड इन अ क्रिकेटींग फ्रॉड. 420 तेजेर हे आसा, तरी तो नेट्टान थंय म्हणटा की आपूण प्रेसिडेंट म्हणटा असोसिएशनचो, एंड ही इज हँडलिंग क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज. How you can allow them to do these things? See, actually, as a moral right to रावपाक जायना. But moral हांकां आतां कोण सांगतलो? He has to. If by now the High Court, the Supreme Court, and the judgment below, if Srinivasan cannot, then how Balu can be here?
Salkar's statement also clears that all is not well even within the BJP. He calls Deputy CM's appointment as Senior Vice President of GCA as void.
Francis Baba ताणी मदीं हाडलो आनी Vice President केलो. I told that it is not legally tenable, it is not correct. So nobody can come outside and take over.
When we contacted GCA President Balu Phadke for his reaction, he refused to comment. Video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
MGP in its emergency meeting on Saturday has resolved to continue the struggle of making Marathi official language of the state. Party's working president Narayan Sawant has conveyed that MGP is still sensitive on Marathi issue. MGP chief Deepak Daulikar had earlier said that Rajya Sabha issue is solved 27 years ago.
MGP convened an emergency meeting on Marathi Rajya Bhasha issue. Rounds of discussions were held. Meeting resolved to continue the struggle for granting Marathi an official language status. MGP chief and Corporation Minister Deepak Dhavrikar had recently dismissed the language issue by stating that the Rajya Bhasha issue was resolved 27 years back.
व राज्य भाषा कायदा मंजूर करताना मराठी भाषेला समान दर्जाचे स्थान मिळवून घेतलं गेलं व त्यावरच मराठी प्रेमींनी समाधान मानलं. परंतु मगो पक्षाने मराठीला राज्य भाषेला दर्जा मिळवण्यासाठी मागणी कायम ठेवून मराठीशी कधीच हरकत घेतली नाही. आजही मराठीला राज्य भाषेचा दर्जा मिळावा ही मगो पक्षाची मागणी कायम असून पक्षाने मागच्या आठवड्यात घेतलेल्या पत्रकार परिषदेत सुद्धा जाहीर केले आहे.
MGP chief Deepak Dhavrikar cleared that party central committee and workers have full faith in him. He also informed that party had expelled Pradeep Ghadi Amonkar 3 years back.
केंद्रीय समितीचो पक्षाच्या कार्यकर्त्यांचो वर्किंग कमिटीचो सगळ्यांचो माझेर पूर्ण विश्वास आसा आणि मराठी खातीर पक्षाचे जे कितें आमचे मराठी बद्दलचे आमचो जो स्टँड आसा तो आमी आतां क्लियर केल्लो आसा आणि तोच स्टँड आमचो हेचे फुडें उरतलो अशें मुद्दाम हांव नमूद करता. प्रदीप घाडी आमोणकर हो आमच्या पक्षाचो सदस्यय ना किंवा समितीचो मेंबरूय ना. ताका 3 वर्सां पयलीं मगो पक्षान ताका भायली वाट दाखयल्ली आसा.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Government has deferred implementation of the circular which banned construction before conversion of land. The circular was issued by the Town and Country Planning Department on 8th July restricting use of agricultural land for non-agricultural purpose before conversion. Circular shall come into force from 1st November.
On 7 July, Town and Country Planning Department issued a circular restricting construction of agricultural land before obtaining sanad. In the circular, Chief Town Planner banned licenses to all developmental activities on agricultural land. Permissions were granted before conversion of land or obtaining sanad for the activities. It was directed to all the district offices, taluka offices and planning and development authorities that no technical clearances or development permission shall be issued for any construction or development without valid conversion sanad. The government has decided to defer the implementation of the circular till 31st October 2013. The circular will come into force from 1st November 2013. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.